comment from Emily. How you doing, Emily? She says, Asa Rich, I break into a sweat every time I have to write an email. Me too. Me too. I know what you're feeling, girl. Can someone help me understand copywriting and make my emails more effective? Didn't you mention on the last hot seat something called Email Academy? Yes. Yes, we did talk about last week about Email Academy. I think Rich went over it a little bit. I actually went through it a little bit myself. And you probably are referring to that because if you're struggling, Emily, with getting, phobia of how to write emails, it's because you've never been properly taught email copywriting skills. This is something that you must understand and learn when it comes to, like, after you generate the lead, how do you follow up with that lead? How do you broadcast to them? What kinds of content is it specifically that you need to learn to write that's for that niche specifically, right? And how do you build that rapport? How do you build that know, like, and trust relationship with the cold traffic, right? Because that's what cold traffic is. It's solo ads. And that's where you're generating all your leads, right? But even that, what if you're generating organic traffic? Are you talking the same cold traffic with the same content with your warm traffic? No, because you have to separate them based on behavior. And that was Rich was talking about the behavior. He's doing the ABCs of list building. Very important, yeah. That's very important. Now, a lot of that is broken down in detail and training in the Email Academy. So what Rich just gave you was a screenshot from the class that he taught that is in that recording inside the program that we are the top earners of and market. So Emily, Emily, reach out to me, send me a message, and I will get you the link so you can get access to that, because you must be a member in order to get the course to actually benefit from the training on the email copywriting, because it's not something that I could just give you for free. You have to invest into it. And there's 9 weeks, Emily, 9 weeks of that training. It's broken down into 9 total weeks. I can show you what it is, though. So that way it refresh your memory of what is Email Academy. So give me just a moment here, and I'm going to share my screen, and I'll show you what it is. So you can see my screen. I'm going to log into the Power Lead system. This is one of the programs that we market. And this is the course that I was telling you about. Now, in order for you to actually get any of these courses, these are lifetime courses. Okay, so you purchase them once and you own them. You must be a member of the program. It's considered to be called Gold. And it's like $53.97 a month, okay? Just being completely transparent. And then you can purchase any one of these, or you can purchase them all. But we're going to go straight into Home Business Pro, because this is what Emily really needs help with. And any of you guys that are struggling with email marketing, this is going to be the course for you. We talked about this last week a little bit. So Emily wants a refresh. So this right here is called Email Academy. And it's by this guy named Greg Davison, who's a dear friend of ours and also our coach and mentor when it comes to this kind of marketing that we've been doing all this time with email marketing. So you're going to learn how to go from 0 to making 6 figures a year with just this one skill set. And you're going to learn how to write compelling emails. He's going to give you ideas and also insight on how to write and construct the format of the email, like the font, the size, everything, the call to action, the hooks, your subject lines, right? And it's broken down by 9 total weeks. Okay, 9 total weeks you have to be able to study in depth of what to do with a homework assignment, a part of it. That's how you do at-home study when it comes to understanding email marketing. You do it at home. So like if we go into week 2, storytelling, Emily, I want you to pay attention to watch this. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of one of the classes that we were in. And this will definitely help you understand a little bit of what you need the most help with. So give me 1 second. I'm going to find that clip here. Okay. And then I'm going to raise the volume here so you can hear it.
I bet you know every trial and tribulation they've been through. And I bet that's why you love them. I bet that's why you're such good friends, right? Guys, this is what you've got to do with your email list. You have to treat your subscribers like a bunch of best friends. So Lisa goes on to say, I thought affiliate marketing would be the answer to my problems. I jumped in head first and wound up 50K in debt. I thought to myself, I'm so stupid. Here I go, failing again. this, again, this is the kind of negative self-talk that we all do. And what Lisa's done really well here in the email, well, I wrote this with Lisa, was to show her subscribers how she really felt at the different stages of her journey. So how did I end up succeeding?
Okay. That's just a sneak peek real quick. I don't want to play that too long, but that, Emily, that right there is going to help you be on the right track. And that's just week 2. Now, each of these videos, what happens is people who invest in it, they go through each of these videos and they're about as long as 1 to 2 hours. It all depends on the class and how long it is, but it's worth it. And as you can see from the way the coach is speaking, he's really speaking to you in a way you could understand email marketing. Okay. He's not using like big words or anything like that. He's like literally talking to you like actual conversation. And so it's really important that if this is something that is what you want to learn and that really hit home with you, see me about it and I'll give you a link and you can actually sign up into our program, be a part of our team and be able to have this course.